today we have come to Tiracol Fort.
So that's my friend Sanket.
Hello everyone. It's a very cold winter morning and today we are going to extreme north of Goa. My friend Sanket is going to join me and it's going to be a very thrilling ride. So let's go.
So that's my friend Sanket.
Hi. So we are on our way to Tiracol and we have reached Aronda. This is the Aronda bridge. I have my friend Sanket who's shooting the video and we are going to continue this journey. It's 10 or 15 minutes away from here. So yes, let's go.
Oh, thank you. So this guy came with us and he shot some videos for us.
Hello, it's 8:30 a.m. We had left at 6:30 in the morning from home. The weather was very cold in Goa. It's very pleasant here. This place is called Tirada. It's on Goa Maharashtra border on our way to Tiracol Fort. We are going to just see this place for some time and then we are going to go to Tiracol, which is around 10 to 15 minutes from here. We are also very hungry. We haven't had breakfast, so that is also in our list before we reach the fort. So let's go. Finally, we have arrived at Tiracol.
Since there are no restaurants here, we have to settle with this. I had boiled this in the morning.
Since the fort opens at 10 o'clock, we have decided to go to Kerim and have a breakfast because there is literally nothing here. We're going to go by ferry and then we're going to come back at 10 o'clock to see the fort again. So after a lot of searching, we finally found a small place and this is going to be our breakfast.
Just next to the fort, there is this road. I don't really know where it goes, but we have decided to just walk and see where it is taking us. I guess it gives a very good view of the Arabian Sea from here. So we will go a little ahead and see.
From here we can see a very good view of the Keri beach and this is Arabian Sea. The view is mesmerizing, it's really very nice. You should come here once. This is really a very cool place. We have come so close to water now. My friend Sanket is also really having a good time, I believe. Now we are going inside the fort. It's
10 a.m. already, and we can go inside the fort now.
Today we have come to Tiracol Fort, which is on Goa-Maharashtra border. It is 48 kilometers from the capital city of Panjim. And let's go inside and check it out what's inside.
So inside there is a hotel and there's a lovely restaurant here. Also there is a church here inside.
This fort is situated at the mouth of the river Tiracol and it was built by the Bhosles of Sawantwadi in the 17th century. The main reason this fort was built because the navy ships of the Bhosles used to be docked here at this river bank, and this fort is to provide a shelter to the navy men, and also this fort has a very strategic importance as you get a very good clear view of the Arabian Sea from all the sides. So it is protected from the invaders if anyone is trying to attack the fort. This fort was captured by the Portuguese in the mid 18th century, and they built a chapel inside this fort, a chapel of Holy Trinity. The chapel was built by the Almeida, and later this chapel was converted into a church of Saint Anthony. So the church behind me is the Saint Anthony's church, and this was the church I was talking about.
Now we have arrived at Kerim beach.
Good. So this is my friend Ganesh. He's a local from here and he lives in Kerim. So meeting him was my last task of the day, and now we are going to go back home. I hope you liked today's video. Hope to see you in the next video, and also I would like to thank everybody for giving me the feedback for my music in my previous video. Cheers.